everybody. Today I am going to discuss a mathematical riddle. Just concentrate over the board here and I am going to draw a equation here first. Okay, so the equation is 2 plus 2 equal to 0, 8. 3 plus 3 equal to 18. Very easy. From the equation you have already got the logic. I understand you have got the logic what I am going to discuss now. So it's very easy and it's a very common also. Those who are preparing for your upcoming competitive exam, you have already got a number of mathematical riddles, this type of mathematical riddles already. So it's very easy for you to derive the actual value. Yet I am going to discuss in this educational video session. Okay, so and now what will be the value of 6 plus 6? So let's denote it as row 1, row 2, row 3 and finally row 4. Now from row 1 what we actually get? 2 plus 2 equal to 8. How this is possible? First of all, you have to find what logic hidden in every line of equation. That's the only way to solve this type of mathematical riddles, okay, or brain teaser, whatever you can say. So 2 plus 2 equal to 0, 8. So what actually gives the value? You know 2 plus 2 equal to 4 and 4 into 2 equal to 0, 8. But if you put the same logic in row 2, it will be 3 plus 3 equal to 6 and 6 into 2 equal to 12. Or you can say 6 into 3 equal to 18. So this 18 equal to this 18 in question figure, okay. If you implement the same logic in case of row 3, it will be 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So 4 into 2, 6 into 3, automatically it will be 10 into 4, it will be 40. So the number mismatched now. So from this you can easily be able to see that this logic is not properly applicable here. So you have to find the alternate logic. So what will be the alternate logic? Yes, this I am going to tell you. You also have to find this way to find the actual value. You always have to ready for different alternate logics. So from row 1, now the alternate logic will be, from row 1 it will be 2 into 2 equal to 4, 4 into 2 equal to 0, 8. From row 2 it will be 3 into 3 equal to 9 and 9 into 2 equal to 18. Okay, from row 3 it will be 5 into 5 equal to 25 and 25 into 2 equal to 15. Got it? If you implement the same logic in case of row 4, you will get 6 into 6 equal to 36 and 36 into 2 equal to 72, and that it will be replaced by 72 to complete the riddle. So this is the way you have to find the logic. Hope you have got understand it. Practice hard, take different values, purchase different books where you will get the mathematical riddles. This is the only way to get the exam success. Okay, so till then I will discuss, one thing I have already missed to discuss. What I am discussing over all my video sessions is just an example. It's not possible to put every equations into the board and spread these videos. So I can only show you 2, 3, 5, 6 examples, but you have to press through different and varieties of equations to make you strong enough to sit for your upcoming exams. Okay, so hope you will remind this whatever I have already discussed here. Till then, bye bye from my end.